Hi, good morning guys. This is a PhilCanTV. For this tutorial, we have to apply the screen recorder and video through the Play Store. You can install it. So this is the screen recorder and install. So install already, then open it. Then we go to the settings. So you just go to internal and microphone, about the resolution 1080p and the quality. The FPS just put in auto, the orientation, the save location you just put in the SD card. So if you want, just put all, check if you like that one. Then this is the camera. So if you want to remove the camera, just click that, and you want to open up there, and that's it.